Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common issue that might be lurking beneath the surface in your Fedora 41KD spin and openSUSE Tumbleweed setups. The problem we're tackling revolves around a potential misunderstanding regarding the CPE ID notation in the ecco's release file. It seems there's a question mark hanging over whether the CPE_name value should be prefixed with a URN schema. Let's unravel this problem and shed some light on the solution. In understanding the solution, it's crucial to note that CPE names do not fall under the URN category, exempting them from compliance with RFC 8141. According to the CPE specification version 2.2, CPE names are standalone URIs with CPE, serving as the top-level URI scheme. This distinct specification sets them apart from typical URNs, aligning more closely with the general URI framework outlined in RFC 3986 and by W3C standards. With the evolution of the CPE framework in version 2.3, a more abstract definition of the CPE name allows for flexibility in string representation while adhering to the CPE 2.2 compatible URI binding syntax as directed in the OS Release 5 guidelines. Now, let's wrap things up by summing up our exploration of the CPE ID quagmire. While your initial instincts may have leaned towards inserting a URN schema prefix, the distinctive nature of CPE names as self-sufficient URIs clarifies that the standalone CPE designation is the way to go. Remember, the devil is in the details when it comes to protocol specifications, and staying informed on the latest updates ensures smooth sailing for your system configurations. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!